Uh-oh. Okay. You looking at radio porn again?
Radio porn, yeah, right.
Jeez.
Okay. Matter of fact, you can see it. Where's it hiding? Oh, okay, I see it, I see it. Yep, yep. Yeah, one light hanging. I'm pointing to that blue thing there. Can you see that?
Yes.
Is that it?
Oh, that's what you made?
Oh, did it work? A gimmick capacitor. If it works, we don't know yet.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna try it. Oh, it works. It's a gimmick. It's a gimmick. You taking pictures or movies?
I'm taking movies, but that's okay.
Pictures, okay.
That's all right.
Plug it in again, Dan, and just see what
He's here.
Uh-oh.
He's here.
Hey, Harry.
Wait, let me turn this on. Let's see.
The old dim bulb test.
Remember the old?
Yeah.
No dim bulb test. Oops, what did I do wrong here? I must have not turned something on.
Is this on?
It shouldn't be. Hope it's not.
This is off. This is on.
That is correct, but why is it not doing anything here?
Only closed.
I'll just stick my finger across there and see if it does anything.
Don't forget to wet your fingers.
You're just going to say, see if you hear a hit.
Yeah, from me. The old dim bulb test, he said. That's me.
Okay.
The old dim bulb test all the time. Why is this not? Since it did before. Well, the answer is it was intermittent anyway. Now it's very intermittent. Oh, you know what? Forgot the rectifier. The old forget the rectifier problem.
Oops. Oh.
Right now it's a bright bulb test.
Warms up.
Okay, now let's give it the old rest of the way. It was working before, so.
Oh. I see light.
You see light?
I see light.
Okay. From your mouth to God's ears, let there be light.
Lux erat disputandum.
Oh, there we go.
If I turn the bulb off here, it would help.
Michelle. It's alive! You got it.
This scope's in nice shape.
Yeah.
Freshening it up, I guess.
Yeah, the capacitors, I've been watching YouTube a little bit, and they say, yeah.
Don't watch that. Don't watch the Radio Wild channel. That guy's a nut. He don't know what he's doing.
But I knew to take them out and replace them. So.
Yes.
And I didn't want to burn anything out, really, you know.
Nope.
Thank you.
I have no idea how they're adjusted. It doesn't look right, does it?
Yeah, that should be good enough, I think. Might just have to yank it off.
Probably set too tight.
When I was a kid, I used to use my teeth.
Yeah.
If they did it now, they'd probably leave them there.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
There we go. I love this.
Incidentally, is the B plus high enough? If there was no B plus, then it could go into saturation.
You mentioned that, and we didn't have the chassis up. We're going to read on a pin. Let's read the B plus. That's on the other side of the field pole. You want this B plus here, right? That's the way it should be, though.
Would that make a difference?
If it was too low, it would saturate.
Pen is over here.
I just dropped something on it. That's fine. That's usually a flashlight. Okay. Okay, I want pin 4 on this tube for the plates. And I want to see what it looks like to ground. 68 volts.
How much?
68.
And it should be more.